Hello students, our today's topic is deficiency diseases. Students, the food eaten by a person sometimes may not contain a particular kind of nutrient. For example, it is having deficiency of carbohydrate or fats or proteins for a long period of time. If this lacking of nutrient continue for a long period of time, then it may result into a disorder or a disease. So the diseases that occur due to deficiency of nutrients for over a long period of time is known as deficiency disease. If our diet is having deficiency of particular kind of nutrient, and if this deficiency continues for a long period of time, then this might result into a disorder or a disease. For example, if the person is having deficiency of protein in his or her diet for a long period of time, then it may result into swelling of face, discoloration of hair, diarrhea, etc. Diarrhea is loose motion. So if a person is having deficiency of protein in his or her diet for a long period of time, then that person is likely to have swelling of face, discoloration of hair, diarrhea, etc. So if in the person's diet both protein and carbohydrate is lacking, it may result into the stoppage of growth. The growth of that person will stop completely. His organ will not grow. The person will become very lean and weak, so that he or she might not be able to move. If the person is having deficiency of both protein and carbohydrates in his or her diet for a long period of time, then it will result into stoppage of growth completely. The person will become very lean, the person will become very weak, so that he will not be able to move. So this deficiency diseases can be prevented by taking the balanced diet. Balanced diet helps in preventing the disorders or deficiency diseases. Students, now we are going to discuss some of the disease or disorder that happens due to deficiency of vitamins and minerals. Okay, we will be discussing various disease or disorders that happens due to the deficiency of certain kind of vitamin or mineral. So first vitamin is vitamin A. So due to deficiency of vitamin A, disorder that can occur is loss of vision, and its symptoms are poor vision. Okay, due to deficiency of vitamin A, disorder that can happen is loss of vision. Next vitamin is vitamin B1, and due to deficiency of vitamin B1, beriberi disease can occur. In this disease, symptoms are that person's muscles becomes weak and there is very little energy to do work. Next kind of vitamin is vitamin C, and due to deficiency of vitamin C, scurvy disease can occur. In scurvy disease, wounds will take longer time to heal. If your body is having deficiency of vitamin C, wounds will take longer time to heal and your gums will start bleeding. Students, next vitamin is vitamin D, and due to deficiency of vitamin D, ricket disease can occur. What are the symptoms of ricket disease? That bone becomes soft and it bent also. Next mineral is calcium, and due to the deficiency of calcium, disorder that can occur is bone and tooth decay. And what are its symptoms? Your bones becomes weak and your tooth will start decaying. Your bones become weak and your tooth will start decaying. Next mineral is iodine, and due to the deficiency of iodine, goiter disease can occur. What are its symptoms? Its symptoms are swollen neck and mental disability in children. Next mineral is iron, and the disease that occur due to the deficiency of iron is anemia. What are its symptoms? Weakness is the symptom of anemia. Okay, so if somebody is feeling weak, then he or she might be suffering from the anemia. So they need to take the iron in their diet so that weakness can be removed. So in this way, this chapter is completed. Thank you.